We about to make a boss move. Stay tuned. The moral of the story is today, stop standing in your own way. Okay? Stop standing in your own way. And another thing is, the Lord put people in your life for a reason or a season. Sometimes they're there for a long term. Sometimes they're there just to teach you a lesson. And I met this guy yesterday, and y'all know how I am. I do shit on my own, you know what I'm saying, by myself. Like, I don't be needing help, but I'm trying to be submissive and let people in, you know, not too much, but I was with my mud flats on yesterday, and this guy walked over. He was like, "You don't got no man, you by yourself, you doing this stuff by yourself?" Yes, but at the same time, I was submissive and I let him help me, and this how it turned out. I'm gonna let him tell y'all. Here you go. I gotta go wake him up. He wasn't up, so I told him I'm going to get my auntie while he get up, because it's a more to this story. Y'all stay tuned, because y'all gonna want to see this. But nah, y'all know how I am. That motherfucker got 5 kids, so y'all, I'm gonna let him tell y'all the story. Y'all gonna laugh at this shit, but yeah, I'm finna pick my auntie up, and then I'm finna go back and get him. So y'all gonna see what's going on.
Tell your story. I don't care to tell mine.
Tell yours.
Tell your side.
Tell your side.
I can support whatever.
Look, they be thinking I'm capping and shit, so I'm here to let them know. That's why I want you to tell the story. Y'all see here in the back acting fucking crazy and shit, so I will put my mud flaps on. Y'all already know I don't need nobody to do shit for me. That's the type of person I am. And he already had caught that vibe, but he still insists on helping me with my mud flaps, okay? And he came over there. I said, I gotta go to the store because I don't got the right stroop or whatever. And whatever. I gotta go to the store. And I went and got that, came back. And he still insists. He came over there, helped me with my mud flaps or whatever. So I was telling him, he got 5 kids. So he said, my kids ain't got nothing to do with you. That's what men get mixed up at, because they do. Okay? When you date somebody, you date children. You be dating people, kids, and all that shit.
See, this my thing. When I meet people, bro, I really don't know what, you know what I'm saying, intentions be. You was out there putting on your muffler. I was just trying to help you out.
You don't know nobody intentions, but you do at the same time. People know people
to know you to see what I want.
Hell, you already had said you seen my booty, so hell, what was it?
That cause you had it down camera on me.
I
ain't see your booty. You was up on the damn tray. You were clean though.
I'm always clean.
Alright,
yeah, he know how I am. Fuck that shit. So check this out. He was like, you gonna miss your blessing because I got 5 kids or some shit he said. I was like, you know what? The Lord put people the Lord put people in your path for a reason or a season. You know what I'm saying? And this time it was a reason. It probably wasn't the reason. Don't say nobody. Listen, it probably was the reason. The reason wasn't. Listen, the reason was what's this finna lead us to? You feel me? It probably wasn't the reason that he was looking for, but it was the reason. Okay, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all gonna see what the reason was.
So when I see you up under there working on it, you know what I'm saying? I was like, what the hell? You know what I mean? I really just wanted to, throw some compliments your way.
Okay. Well, I appreciate it.
So when I see you working on it, I'm like, shit, I'm an officer of help.
Okay. Well, I appreciate it.
I mean, at times, I say that at times. If you wasn't looking good, then I probably wouldn't.
Oh my goodness. So if the lady, at least he being honest, but still, an ugly lady would have needed help. You would have helped her.
I hold it though. I help ugly
No. God damn. That boy said, I hear ugly females. Y'all, I think dude is really cool because he just did something for me that he just met me yesterday, and I would never open my mouth and offer what he just did for me. I think he gonna be alright. Okay? I'm gonna let y'all know later on what's up.
No, you gonna get it all.
Baby, I'm gonna be riding the fuck out this club. You hear me? Shit. Bitch, I don't need nobody to be coming. What? Ooh, I'm about to be fucking crazy. Come on, lady. They the wrong side, buddy. Why do you put my sunways on, baby? Y'all better get out of the way. Let me get the boat it come back to you just like you was yellow. Woo! Oh my God. Tell me to be that shit.
You get raced.
See these trees and shit low? He trying to fuck me up, y'all. Oh, we can go back that thing.
Maybe.
I probably could have went that way. It's bad.
Good, it was.
Do they still got high and low reverse? Ooh, look at that bright light back there for that reverse light. He got that big right. What's the name? What's the man's name?
Chris.
Chris! Oh shit. Your legacy gonna live on through Dynamic Woman, baby. I'm gonna run this motherfucking truck, baby. Okay?
100,000 on the end frame.
Wait a minute.
Let go.
Go ahead, OT. Like, gotta eat it like butter. Ah! That be like riding a bike. You come back to you. No clutch. Oh! Yes, sir. I wish if it was a 13. Oh, I can't miss them. You said a blue awning, right? Okay, so right here, oh, the light don't went off. Okay, we talk part. Y'all, this man and his wife, his son died from COVID, so they trying to get rid of everything on the yard. He has a shop and everything, and I told him Chris' legacy is gonna live on through me, because I'm gonna run this motherfucking truck. Period. Rest in peace, driver, because I'm gonna run this truck. This was for me. I've been saying I need somebody that need to get rid of something, you know, for a good price, because I was not finna buy another truck for no $50,000. That's more than what I pay for my truck. This man let me get this truck for $25,000. This man done rebuilt this motor. He done changed his turbo. Like, he used to work on his own truck. This was for me. I was blessed to get this truck. Rest in peace, Chris. He's a truck driver as well. I'm finna run this truck. Dynamic Woman, baby. We in here. Chris got the bitch in this bitch.